That's it. Our new dishes are here. It took late nights, a few recipe flops, and way too many jalapenos. But with every dish that we make here, it's made with a whole lot of love.
The special lassi we have coming up, so watch till the end.
I can't believe I'm finally saying this, but we are finally launching 4 brand new dishes I've been dreaming about and testing for months. And while most of them are ready for their big debut, one of them did not make the cut. So I guess it's 3 dishes we're launching. And I'll tell you why, but you have to stick around till the end for that. And today I got my husband, Matt, in tow with me so we can taste test for this vlog. And I'm showing you guys everything from the chaos into our tiny kitchen to finally dialing in flavors just right.
It's good.
Hi, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rashmi, like don't rush me. I own a small Indian restaurant with my mom in a small German town in Texas. It's called Seven Monks Café and we're located in New Braunfels right by the river. We've been open since 2019 and my mom loves to cook and feed, so we're always cooking up some new ideas in the kitchen. Except we can't launch every item we think about. So I'll tell you more about that in a sec. And while I have you here, do you mind hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the updates I share? Okay, let's do it. First up, we're making my husband's favorite dish, malai kofta.
Okay, we are making Matt's favorite malai kofta curry. Cumin, little bit of chili powder and garam masala. There is a one secret sauce which I am going to add into it, but I am going to tell you later on. It's made up of potato and paneer in it.
I introduced Matt to malai kofta maybe 2 years into us dating, and he was so mad I didn't tell him before. And since every dish at my restaurant is named after someone special,
Add little bit of water so the masalas are not getting burned.
I have been wanting to launch malai kofta forever at my Indian restaurant, but for whatever reason, the kofta balls we were making just weren't holding at a commercial level, and we finally figured out a little trick to it. So here we are. Doesn't come on, but these little baby samosa filled with jalapeno and cheese, they're crispy on the outside, they're cheesy on the inside with just a little hint of spice. Perfection. Third, we are introducing butter chicken pasta. We get a lot of kids at our family-friendly restaurant, and we've had butter chicken pasta on our catering menu forever, like literally forever. And I've been pushing my mom to carry this dish on our menu because I think it's going to do really well. So it is finally happening.
This is the Italian sauce.
It smells so good.
Next up, we are looking at an aloo bhaji and puri. My mom is from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and this is a classic staple right from there.
We call it as masala.
It literally smells like Sunday mornings at my house growing up when my mom makes this dish.
Thank you. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank
We
you.
have one more dish to make.
Huh?
One more, let's see.
Let's see how
Yeah,
it
but
is.
I'll make it. Just gather the
Yeah.
ingredients. I'll make it.
It's there.